Ginger benefits to boost your health. Please subscribe and share. Read to the end for you not miss important benefits. Apparently ginger is a starring ingredient in many green juices for good reason. While the ancient root has long been touted a sick day panacea in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, the overall health benefits of ginger are wide-ranging. Not to mention it's crazy versatile. You can throw it in your smoothie, grate some on a stir fry, add it to soup, or sip ginger tea. Now that your pantry is stocked with the stuff, go ahead, I'll wait, get a load of these health and beauty benefits of ginger. 1. It can reduce pain. Ansel says ginger contains substances known as gingerls that quash inflammation and turn off pain-causing compounds in the body. But if you're dealing with any kind of chronic pain, talk to your doctor about a long-term treatment plan, since it might be something a plant can't fix. 2. It can heal irritated skin. If strong winter winds are doing a number on your skin, start healing from the inside out with ginger. According to Ansel, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe red, irritated skin. 3. It may help protect against cancer. While no single ingredient has the power to ward off serious disease, ginger does pack a pretty mean punch. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants that help protect the body from cancer. 4. It can help you look younger. You probably see the buzzword antioxidant splayed across your favorite expensive face creams, but that's actually for good reason. There's promising, yet preliminary research suggesting antioxidants help protect the skin from free radicals, things in the environment like pollution and UV. 5. It can help you digest quicker after a meal. Food babies are pretty uncomfortable, but thanks to ginger, they don't have to last forever. A cup of ginger tea could help your stomach empty faster so food doesn't just sit there after an indulgent meal. What's more is that it'll help calm your stomach and stave off bloating and gas. 6. It can reduce nausea. In general, ginger is a research-backed remedy for nausea, whether you're dealing with a hangover, enduring a bumpy road trip, recovering from chemotherapy, or cursing pregnancy's morning sickness symptoms. 7. It can reduce bad cholesterol. Brissette says ginger can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing your rate. It can ward off cardiovascular disease. Ginger's blood-thinning properties could help prevent the formation of blood clots. 9. It can help boost immunity. Why do people live on ginger lozenges when they're sick? Those same gingerls that fight inflammation also have antimicrobial and antifungal properties to help fight infections and boost your Brissette's speedy recovery. Go to hot water. 2 tablespoons of fresh grated ginger. Juice of 1 lemon. Half a tablespoon of honey. Or, toss a teaspoon into chicken soup for some added cold fighting benefits. 10. It can ease period cramps. If you find yourself clutching your abdomen in pain every month, you might want to try an ibuprofen alternative. I firmly believe ginger is one of the best natural forms of medicine. It helps with so many inflammatory processes. Always enjoy ginger.